Hey guys, this is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120. This is a multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, and fax with this printer. This printer is connected to my mobile device. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. The rules are you need to first of all make sure your mobile phone and printer are connected to the same network. And then what you need to do is to print your document. There are two ways to do this. First of all, you need to go to your file, go to my files, then go to documents you want to print out. Then the next you need to do is you need to select the document you want to print. Tap on the document for the document to be open. And now this document is 2 pages document. To print it out, just need to gently tap on top. Then select the 3 dots. Once you select the 3 dots, then you select print. This app will show. Then you scroll down and look for HP OfficeJet Pro. Select on it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready, and the yellow icon for the printer is here on top. Then you scroll, bring this down. From when you bring it down, this app down, scroll the app down this way. Then you select how many copies, color, double-sided, and more, and paper size. So first of all, you want to print this document colored, and also you want to print it double-sided, long edge. You can select more option. If you select more option, then you select if you want to print the borderless or not. You can also select quality and make sure it's in document. If you want to print photo, then you go to photo. We are printing this document, and quality. Scroll down to select normal or best quality. Then you go back. And paper size, paper type, scroll down to select. What we have here is A4 paper, is loaded. And the orientation, we have landscape or portrait. We have it in portrait, and also print all. Then you select print. Use HP Smart, select OK. Now this document is printing. So it's going to go back inside. We are printing double-sided. Here we go. This is the document, very quick. We printed out, colored, double-sided. The same thing is applicable if you want to print photo. What you need to do is just need to change the photo paper. You go to the same process and select the photo and select the printer for you to print it out. Another way to print document is for you to go to HP Smart app. So go to HP Smart app. This is HP Smart app. You need to make sure the printer is ready. Then you select print document. It will ask you PDF or my photos. So select PDF document. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to wherever the document you want to print out. So you select the document you want to print out. So select document. This document is 2 pages document. Now to print it out, then you select print preview. And the printer is ready here. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to scroll down and select page, all pages, and also paper size. Then you select print. Now this document is printing. So this is the document we printed out, single page from HP Smart app. So this is how to print your document from this printer using your mobile device. If you also want to print photo, then you can also select print photo, the same process. Then you go and select the photo you want to print out. This is exactly how this works. But you need to make sure that you load correct photo paper for you to be able to print. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.